Hi everyone, my name is Neil Morrissey, and welcome to my course, Implementing and Managing Microsoft Azure Multi-factor Authentication. I'm a solutions architect and developer, and in this course, I'm going to show you a service from Microsoft for adding a second factor of authentication to logins for your cloud-based applications and applications running on premises. You've probably heard about high-profile data breaches in the news, and recently, over 1 billion stolen username and password combinations were found on the dark web. So protecting apps and systems with only a password is quite risky these days. In this course, you're going to learn about Azure Multi-factor Authentication and how it can be used to leverage a user's mobile device as a second factor of authentication. You'll learn about the different authentication modes, like phone call mode, text message modes, and also the Microsoft Authenticator app, which is a free download for iPhone, Android, and Windows phones. I'll show you how to configure Azure MFA in the cloud for app services and Office 365, really for any application where user identities are stored in Azure Active Directory. And you'll also learn about Azure MFA Server and how you can download and install it in your environment so you can keep your user identities on premises in Active Directory if you choose, and still leverage Azure MFA. I'll show you all the latest integration points with on-premises systems like ADFS, Remote Desktop Gateway, and even how to publish on-premises web apps to the internet using Azure AD Application Proxy and protect those apps with MFA also. By the end of this course, you'll understand all the features of Azure MFA and how to configure them in your environment and in the cloud. I think you'll be surprised with how flexible this technology is and how it can be used to provide an additional level of security for your systems without a lot of expense or infrastructure required. So I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Azure Multi-factor Authentication with implementing and managing Microsoft Azure Multi-factor Authentication here on Pluralsight.